Who is ready for some salt mackerel? Yes, I'm cooking salt mackerel for dinner. This morning I was actually on my live and I drove to the supermarket and it was so much noise, so you guys didn't get to see what I was going to get to prepare my salt mackerel. So let me show you what I pick up at the supermarket and then we're just gonna dive right into cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna show all the ingredients and we're going to cook salt mackerel for dinner today. Anyways, Madonnas, big up on a nice clean self and thank you so much for the loyal support. God bless you and I appreciate you all. Enough love. Let's dive into the kitchen. Okay, let's dive into the prep right now. So here we have red onion, white onion. We had some scallion. We had tomatoes, bell pepper, green one, kind of red one. We had coconut milk. We had some flour in here. We have the potato, the yam, yes, green banana, and I'm gonna use some avocado oil. Yeah, but right now let's put the salt mackerel in here. So I am going to wash these salt mackerel. Yeah, salt mackerel. I'm gonna wash them and then put them on the fire to boil. Yes, so yeah, I have to wash the salt from it. But yeah, I bought 4 salt mackerel. Yep. Okay, so this part is for the food, and I am going to boil this right now. Making some cornmeal dumpling. Mm? Oh, because I'm like, what are you talking about, child? That's too much. Okay, so to make these dumplings, the water must be boiling, and then you try to gather it like this. You know what I mean? Yeah. And this is how you make the dumplings. Make sure the water is boiling before putting the dumpling in the pot. Practice your dumplings. They look like this. Okay, let's get the seasoning ready. So the dumplings are about 10 minutes in now, and I'm going to put the food in. Salt mackerel is boiling. Yes, boil out the salt out of it. So I'm going to get these banana ready. So cut the top off, cut the bottom off, and do it like this. Yep. Okay, so to wash these banana, I like to add a little salt to the water. So whatever chemical is on it, the salt is gonna kill. I'm gonna wash it now. Then add them to the pot. Once it properly washed, just add it to the pot with the skin. I mean, back then we used to peel these, but not anymore. Okay, let's get the yam ready. Okay, we're gonna give that a couple minutes. But let's peel these. So as you can see, I just used the knife and cut in them in the middle because I don't want them to mash. So I don't want them to soak. Wash them, put them in the pot. Okay, let's get this salt mackerel ready while the banana is almost ready to put the yam in because I don't want my yam to be mashed. Alright, so put it in fresh water, fresh cold water. Alright, so get that ready. That's the salt mackerel. Okay, let's get this show on the road right now. So, this is cool. You gotta use your hand and pick out some of the bone. Need my glasses. It's time to add the yam. So I am going to peel the yam. Yeah, let's peel it now. Let's peel this yam. Not sure what kind of yam this is. Okay, let's wash this. Borrow this dish a little bit. So this yam is more like a different yam. It's a soft yam, you see that? Yeah. I'm gonna do the same with this and put it in the pot. So all the food is in the pot, and just make sure that it is all covered up. It's banana cook. Okay, so this pot is ready for cook up this thing. Okay, so what I am going to add in the pot right now is the coconut milk. All right, here we go. All right, so getting this pot ready. Now I'm gonna turn the stove on and let it boil while I prepare the mackerel. Okay guys, so while the coconut is getting ready, I am going to pick this up, right? So I'm gonna take out some of the bones. Not everything, but some. Like, make sure pick out some of these bones. Yeah. You don't have to be fighting with it when you're eating to get them out, you know. So I try to pick out some, not everything. Yep, these bones. But you get what I'm trying to do, right? I'm not throwing this bone away. I love this bone when it cook up with the tomato and all that good stuff. But like these long bone right here, the one I want to take out and come back. So the salt mackerel is finally finished, and the coconut milk here, it's boiling. And the yam is basically cooked. So waiting for this to boil. Okay guys, so let's go. I'm going to add some avocado oil to this. Yeah, trying to eat more on the healthier side when it comes to the oil. See that? Mix it up with the coconut, avocado and coconut. I'm going to add the seasoning in here. Let it cook. Yep, lots and lots of seasoning. I'm gonna allow that seasoning to cook, and I'm going to add a little bit of Maggi. Yeah, that's what's gonna bring up the flavor. Let's test this food now. Yep, yeah, I'm ready. Just need to soak a little bit. Okay, the potato cook, the banana cook. You see the knife going through the banana? It's ready. Yeah, the potato mash. Let's come back to this. The seasoned cook. Okay, Madonna's realize now. Look, so you know, say it a go white. Even though the season and the tomato and everything, it still have the coconut look, right? So what we're gonna do now is, okay, so we're gonna just add this in. Yep. Yeah, that work? All right. Last but not least, last black pepper. Yep. And that is it. That's the finishing. Yeah. Simmer down. Control the temper. That's how I go. Never know. No, anything with coconut milk. It is delicious, right? Yep. And this is the final finishing. Yep. The final finishing. Yep. Soft yam, cornmeal dumpling, green banana, avocado, and salt mackerel. Yup.